Hi, welcome to EcoStructure Facility Expert channel. We will talk through in this video the community management feature. Through a case study, you're gonna discover how an electrical asset is being transferred from panel builder, contractor to end user in Facility Expert. On my screen from left to right, we have Peter, the panel builder, Carlos, the contractor, and Fabio, the end user facility manager. Peter created 3 assets: switchboard 1, 2, and 3. He has finished the switchboard 1 with all the information loaded. The switchboard is fitted with a QR code. Now, Carlos is taking over, commissioning the switchboard in Fabio's electrical room. So now by flashing the QR code, he realized that he needs to send request to Peter in order to get access to the switchboard 1 on Facility Expert. Peter receives notification and realizes that his customer Carlos is asking for access. So Peter decides to transfer the switchboard 1 to Carlos, but at the same time, he continues to stay in the community for keeping his access to switchboard 1. Carlos now becomes the manager of the switchboard 1 and is able to edit this asset. Peter, at the same time, in addition to his own switchboard 2 and 3, can still view and update switchboard 1. For example, adding an updated drawing as attachment. Now as the project is completely finished and being handed over to Fabio, the end user facility manager. So Fabio now repeats the process by again scanning the QR code. This time, the new manager Carlos receives Fabio's request and he decided to transfer the asset to Fabio eventually. So finally, Fabio is the manager of the switchboard 1, but both Peter and Carlos keep access to this finished switchboard 1. They can see it on the Shared With Me asset folder. And in the team of Fabio, Peter and Carlos are set automatically as collaborator. And this is how the management of an asset being transferred in Facility Expert in a typical electrical installation project. Now let's see how to leverage the community to raise and fix an issue quickly. So now Fabio raised an issue related to switchboard 1. And he stated that the HMI on the switchboard 1 turns orange recently. The issue has been reported to the community. Peter and Carlos both receive push notifications immediately. Peter is quite knowledgeable in troubleshooting this kind of problem, so he acknowledged the issue. Fabio gets informed right away. The community management of a Facility Expert is designed to facilitate information flows more smoothly and safely between different stakeholders in order to get things done. So thanks for watching this video.